So we're a few weeks into the project. How's it going? Feeling a little bit of the pressure?
I'm feeling a lot of the pressure.
As we get into the project, we've kind of changed some things along the way. Even the best laid plan likely is going to change. So we did a pretty major change with the floors. We decided to throw the finishing of the floors earlier.
Yes.
And that's changed and allowed us to kind of make the whole home nicer in the end. But we're gonna miss the Thanksgiving holiday, which was a big deal to you.
I love the holidays, and I told him, please do not start this project if you don't think you'll hit like these dates. And he's all, no, how we're doing this, it's gonna hit, we're gonna be fine. And adding the flooring kind of pushed it out, which was okay because today we get countertops. Yeah. We're gonna plug in.
Make sure you have a sink. Yeah, we've got, and we don't typically use the whole kitchen. We typically have kind of roasters and different things anyways.
And then we're gonna go to the neighbors.
So we decided together that Thanksgiving wasn't as important as getting the floors done. So that's what we decided.
It was, this is more important to get it all done and then be ready for Christmas. That's the big one for me. So Thanksgiving is big to me, but Christmas is bigger. So
let's get it done.
I hope.
Now the whole family can come for Christmas and we'll have a great Christmas.
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right.
Okay.
We're setting tops today at the project and we want to make sure that we have everything ready to go. So we're double checking all of the appliance openings to make sure everything is exactly what we want. Sometimes the cabinets can get kicked around while we have other trades in here. So make sure you take 5-10 minutes, go back through everything before the tops get set. So we're going back through, we're double checking. We've got our dishwasher opening. It's exactly just a skosh over 24, so it's nice snug fit. And then we also have a 48-inch range. So we want to make sure that they don't squeeze our opening too much, that they're nice and flush with the side of the cabinets, and we maintain at least our 48. I always like to give about 1/8 of an inch extra. Some people like to give 1/4 of an inch, but it's a great pro tip to go back through, double check everything. We're actually having Express Hardwood and Flooring come in to do the sanding, as well as all the dust containment within the house. This company does an amazing job, as you can see, covering all the finished goods that we have installed, covering all the cabinetry, pictures, everything that we have within the house. So they do a fantastic job of making sure that they control the dust. So we're getting excited. This is gonna be a major change within the house and we're looking forward to seeing it completed. Here's a good pro tip for you. If you're gonna have the floors done after the cabinets are installed, make sure to leave off of any of the finished flooring trim, i.e. toe kick material, finished moldings, so the company can come in and get nice and close to the cabinetry and not damage that final trim work. So once the flooring company is done with the final finish, we'll come back, put in all that final trim work and make sure everything is detailed out. None of that final trim has actually been damaged during the floor prep. Because we actually moved the wall that was right here, we actually had to lace in new hardwood floors prior to the company coming and finishing the floors. It was a step that we wanted to take care of and make sure that our final product of the entire first floor looked really, really nice with the new cabinetry. And all of that's been worked. It was about 20 hours worth of custom lacing in of that hardwood, but since that work is done, this floor should look amazing when it's all said and done. The floors came out amazing. The company did the perfect color, looks great with the kitchen. My wife is super excited, so we're happy to have that done. And the overall project is gonna actually finish up sooner than what we thought, because we thought the final stages were gonna take us into next year, but we decided to bite the bullet and do it now. Today, Appliance Factory is bringing our appliances. Because this is our dream kitchen, have extremely nice appliances put in here. So one of the things that we splurged on is very nice appliances, and I can't wait to see them. I love to cook, and to have those appliances coming in today makes me super excited. Additionally, we've actually had some parties over here just kind of showing off to our friends the kitchen and how things have changed. We saw the island layout and how the entire flow of the kitchen was gonna work out on paper, but to have it actually come to life and have friends come and enjoy it with us has been kind of next level for us. So we're looking forward to doing more entertaining, doing some great gourmet cooking. Pretty much everything is running exactly the way that we want so far. Tops are awesome, the cabinets are looking fantastic, and today with the appliances, hopefully we got a kitchen that's working.
Wow.
Shiny and exciting.
Can you open it?
Yeah. Have at it.
Ooh. And the water works?
They already tested the water.
Oh my God, it's freezing right there. Oh my gosh, it's huge.
What a difference nice appliances make.
Oh my gosh, that's like a spaceship.
Look at that. So these actually have the roller bearings. So no matter how much weight you put on it, it rolls.
Take that out.
Yeah. Well, look at the handles. When you move the handles, look at the handle kicks out like a. So usually that's not the case. Usually, so these are designed so that a lot of people just kick them shut.
Oh my gosh, can you not do that again?
They're designed. That's what happens. Chefs kick them shut.
Very cool, babe.
You like them?
Are you happy? This is your thing.
This is a big deal for me, for sure. I wanted nice appliances in our kitchen. I didn't want cheap appliances. One of the selling features for this particular refrigerator was the look of the inside, the color of the lighting, the use, how much cubic feet it is. Very usable refrigerator.
I do most of the cooking.
You do most of the cooking, but I'll be doing some show cooking. Are you happy?
Yes. All right.
Pretty cool.